Hello there, my name is Mohd Syaiful and I'm going to show you on how I apply uh, my programmer defined class and other Java features in my system. So as you can see here, this is my JFrame. Inside JFrame I have panel and so on. Okay, see I have three Java class and one JFrame. The first one is text calculator, text info, and user info. Inside the user info, we can see here is our user info, which is age, number of independent, and gender, and so the marital status. So I set the age to 0 and dependent to 0, and the string I set to as a blank. So inside the JFrame, I am going to show you the coding here. Here's one of my coding. So all of the information here, age, number of independent, marital status, and gender, all of the data has been set inside of this area. So if the user enter the age, marital status, number of independent, and gender, if the user press the confirm button, all the data has been saved inside in here. So if let's say if user enter less than 18, the data has been sent inside the user info, and it will check if the age is below 18. It will send the age set to 0, and the 0 value has been returned back to the inside of text calculator. So if the number of age is detected by 0, it will pop us an error, or pop us a message that it says is show message dialog, invalid age must be 18. This is try again. Same as gender. If you enter a misspelled like female or male, it will misspell or something else, female or male. It will pop ups and get some message dialog, and it says invalid gender. Also for the marital status, and also the number of dependent. Next one is the text information. Text information, only user can enter the monthly salary. The others, best text, and the others, all of this cannot be entered by the user. Okay, and now I'm going to show you this one. Where is it? Here we go. So this is for the calculation of the monthly salary. If user enter one ringgit something else, it will give some result around 180. So let's say if this is the user enter the value of users and monthly salary. So the value the value that user enter has been sent into this text info, this area. As you can see here, at the first one I reset all of the variables set to 0, but on the second part, I set the monthly salary. The value of the user enter has been stored into monthly salary. So if the user want to know about the annual salary, the calculation will be proceeded in here, and the value has been sent inside on here, where this my annual salary. Here it's been sent to me. Okay, the next one is the calculation process. So the calculation process, if you want to know more about the calculation process, so here is it. So if the user enter one for one ringgit, so the annual you must times by 12, so this is the value. So this is the code for the lowest value of the annual salary, and this one is for the highest value of annual salary. So this is the process. If the process is done, the value of the income tax will return and display on the payable tax, which is on J text field. This is the J text field number 12. So let's say if user already times by 12 kan, right, times by 12, so this is the value of annual salary. It's already been set in here. So how the base tax annual salary percentage has been set up? Okay, so this is the code. I set the variable for the annual salary. If the annual salary is more than 0 and less than 14.99, the B tax as I said is 0.0, as follow the table given, and the percentage axis also has been set that. So the value I set is double, so I set double to string format and change that to float with 2 decimal point, and all of these are the same. Okay, so let's say running the program first. Okay, say I type my AMM, IC number, just type 999, and they start now. I just type 21 no, that's 22. Oh, that is the H by 21. So again, there's nothing wrong here. Monthly salary, I put 1 ringgit only, you got 1.8. So all of this has been set as follow on the table. So how do I apply the show message dialog? Okay, first of all, you need to know where do you want to set the show message dialog, in which area. Let's say I want to set here. Sorry, hang on. Okay, I will to set here. I set here J option pen dot show message dialog. So these 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, these 4 have showing some message dialog. Let's see, I will set here show message dialog. So this is the code. And most important, if the code is not working properly, you need to put the import, which is import javax dot string dot j option pen. Alright, I think that's it for me. Thank you for the watching.